What is up, guys? It's your boy Jatters TV here again for another unboxing video dahil nanalo tayo ng Air Jordan 4 Military Flux sneakers up. Napakaswerte natin dahil yung iba, ang daming may gustong makakuha nito. Nag-draw sila, hindi sila nakakuha. So, pagkakataon na natin ulit para mag-unboxing. So, ayun na na-unbox na natin. Kailangan syempre amoy natin to. Hindi pwedeng di amoy. Kakalik talaga ang amoy ng bagong Kapagos. Pero, kidding aside, maganda talaga siya. So, ito, ang part niya suede, leather, this one, puti. Kung nakita nyo, maganda talaga siya, guys. Ilalim. Simple lang yung design niya, pero tingin ko kahit anong suotin nyo, mateternohan nito. Tingin mo, damit ko pa lang, terno na.
I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
So that's it for the vlog, mga Kajatters TV. Kung di pa kayo nagsusubscribe, please mag-subscribe kayo. Tulungan nyo ako makahit ng or ma-reach ang 1,000 subscribers. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking video at ang aking sapatos. Peace, love all over the world.
This life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone,